Hi everyone, welcome back to the online English classes of Sri Gokulam Public School Gurivayur. I'm Sabida Joseph, your English teacher. Children, how do you do? I hope you all are good and healthy at home. Children, today let us discuss the grammar section from our textbook, page number 49. That is, how different sentences are formed in simple present tense and simple past tense. Okay, let's start today's class. What is a tense in English? How we can understand the tense of a sentence? We can understand the tense of a sentence through the verb or the action word used in that sentence. What is this action word? Yes, verb. Okay, so this verb shows the time when an action is occurred. Here you can, what is this action word? Yes, verb. Okay, so this verb shows the time when an action is occurred. Here you can see some sentences. I spoke English yesterday. I speak English every day. I will speak English tomorrow. In these three sentences, we can see the verb speak. In the first sentence, we can understand that I spoke English yesterday. This action is already happened. It's not that action is not happening right now, or it is not going to happen from the next moment. No, it is already happened. So that is in the past. So this sentence is in past tense. Spoke is the past tense of speak. So this first statement is in past tense. See the next one. I speak English every day. So this action is happening all the time. It happened in current situation. Right now, I speak English. Okay, I speak English, and this is a habit also. Okay, so this sentence is in present tense. It's happening in present time. Every day, it's happening every day. So that is present tense. And the next one, I will speak English. I will speak English. Is that I'm speaking English right now? No, I will speak from tomorrow. So that action is not happened right now, and it will happen in future. So this statement is in future tense. So this verb tense shows how an action is related to the flow of time. So children, in English mainly there are three tenses. Which are they? Past tense, present tense, and future tense. These are the basic tenses in English. There are subsections also, but this is the basic one. Now let us re-examine the tense simple present tense. We learn how we can make a positive statement into a negative statement, and how we can make questions in simple present tense. Let us start. Now let us see some examples or some sentences. He plays cricket. They play cricket. I play cricket. Geeta plays cricket. So all these sentences are in present tense, simple present tense, okay? And how we can understand that? Through the verbs used in these sentences, like plays, play, play, and plays, okay? And what are the subjects in these sentences? He, they, I, and Geeta. So these are the subjects, and the next one is verb. In this verb we can see S is added with the base form of the verb, which means play is the base form of a verb, and we add S and then become plays. But we can see the word plays with he and Geeta. See children, we'll add S or ES or IES with the verbs when the subject is only in singular. Okay, we do not add s, es or ies with the verb when the subject is in plural. Here, he and Geeta are singular subjects, so we add s with the base form of the verb, which means play become plays, and they is a plural word, so we do not add s with the verb. And there is an exception, that I. We will not add s, es or ies with the I also. Okay? I hope you understand. Let us see some more examples. We will do not add s, es or ies when the subject is plural, or I, or you, or we, or they. For example, they do the homework. We catch the balls. You go to the school. I try to jump. Children run to the ground. We add s or es or ies with the base form of the verb when the subject is singular, or he, or she, or it. For example, she does the homework. He catches the balls. Anu goes to the school. It tries to jump. My brother runs to the ground. Children, I hope you understood. Now let us see how we can change a positive statement into negative. Very simple. First, I'll give an example. I play cricket. So this tense is in simple present. See how we can change this sentence into negative. I do not play cricket. So we use the word not. Not. When a sentence comes with not or no, it will become a negative statement. Okay, so I used do not. I do not play cricket. Another example. She plays cricket. And I'm going to change it. She does not play cricket. She does not play cricket. Here I use does not. Does not with the base form of the verb, that is play. So you have to keep in your mind that we'll use do not with the base form of the verb when the subject is plural. Like I, they, we, you. We'll use do not, and we'll use does not with the singular subject, like any names, or she, or he, or it. Understand? Do not with the plural subject and does not with the singular subject. Now let us see some more examples, then you can understand more. Okay. They clean the classroom. So this statement is in simple present tense. The subject is plural. So we have to add do not. Then the sentence will be they do not clean the classroom. We use the base form of the verb, the first form of the verb. See the next one. Anne cooks the vegetables. Here Anne is a singular subject. So we'll use does not. Anne does not, base form of the verb, that is cook the vegetables. See the next one. I get up early. Here I is the subject. So we'll use do not. I do not get up early. So the sentence is negative. See the next one. Manu walks to the park. Here Manu is a singular subject. So we have to use does not. So the negative sentence will be Manu does not walk to the park. We are using the base form. We will avoid S. So we use the base form walk only. See the next one. He climbs up the tree. Here he is the subject. It is singular. So we use does not. and the base form of the verb climb. He does not climb up the tree. See the last one. My parents work in a school. Here parents is a plural subject, so we'll use do not. My parents do not work in a school. Now let us see how we can write questions in simple present tense. That is also a very simple one. We'll use do with the subjects like I, you, we or they or any other plural subjects. For example, do you write the story? So the format is do plus the subject plus the base form of the verb plus the question mark. Then where we can use does. Does with singular subjects like he or she or it. For example, does he write the story? The format is does plus the subject plus base form of the verb plus the question mark. We are writing the question, so question mark is must. So let us see some examples. The statement is they eat the food. Here the subject is they, it is plural, so we have to start with do. Then the question will be, do they eat the food? Next one, Kiran comes today. So Kiran is a singular subject, so we start the question with does. Does Kiran come today? Come is the base form of the verb. See the next one. It works properly. Here the subject is it. So we'll start with does. Does it work properly? So we'll use the base form of the verb work. We do not add s. See the next one. You like the story. Here, which is the subject? Yes, you. So how we start the question? Do. Do you like the story? Next one. She works hard. Here, she is the subject. It is singular. So we'll begin with does. Does she work hard? And a question mark. We use the base form of the verb work. Children, I hope you understand how we can make questions in simple present tense. Now let us discuss the textual exercise page number 50. Complete these sentences with the simple present form of the verb in the brackets. The first one has been done for you. Does Ramya clean her bicycle every week? See the next one. 2. Rajit dash chocolate. In brackets we can see not like. So Rajit is a singular subject. So what we'll use? Does not or do not? Yes, does not. Rajit does not like chocolates. Third one. Dash you dash every morning. In brackets you can see the verb run. So this is a question because we can see the question mark at the end of the sentence. So how we start? Here you can see the subject you. Then how we start? Do you run or runs? Yes, it is run because it is you. So we'll start the sentence with do you run every morning? We use the base form of the verb. Complete the rest of the questions by yourself. Answer keys will be given in the Google Classroom. Okay children, I hope you understood today's class. Do the textual exercise. Watch the video again and again to understand. We'll meet in the next day with a new topic. Until then, take care. Bye.